how to put outline on image in Canva. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our project right here. And once we open our project, the next thing that we need to do is to, of course, add the image that we want to use. So you can just go here on the uploads and add the picture that you want to use. Now, however, I'm going to use something from the elements. So let's say, for example, that we want to edit a dog. So let's search for that. So let's go here and the photos and then click this image. So we're going to use this image right here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to just remove the background, which is right here. So if you want to remove the background, you can do that. And then the next thing that we need to do is to click the edit button, which is right here. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just scroll down in this part until you see this shadows. So just click the shadows right there. And then on this part, you will see the outline. So all you have to do is to click that outline right there. And then once you click the outline, this is what it should look like. So you can adjust the size of the outline. You can also change the color. So you can just drag this one right here. So let's say, for example, that we want to turn it into color blue. And then once it is done, you can also adjust the intensity if you want to. But I will just leave it as it is. And then once it is done, once we are now done, of course, we can now save it by just clicking the share button and then click the download button. And then you're now good to go. So that is basically it. That is how to put outline in image in Canva.